Hey there, I'm Flynn with RC Willey. Let's talk laundry. If you're short on space, a 2-in-1 washer and dryer combination is the one and done solution. Washing and drying in one machine saves space. A complete wash and dry cycle takes about 2 hours. A few reasons why you'll love one. No vent needed. And they run on a standard 110-volt outlet. Versatile. Perfect for a master closet or a secondary unit. Combo fits same space as a standard washer. You could put 2 combos side by side, do 2 wash and dry loads at once. No need to transfer loads between cycles, which prevents forgotten wash loads. Smart features are easy to use. Front load design uses less water, detergent, and energy. Low drying temperatures protect fabrics while drying is easier on clothes and quick. This GE all-in-one washer and dryer combination unit does it all. With 12 wash cycles, 14 dry cycles, smart home features, it can even wash a king-size comforter. We also carry Samsung and LG all-in-one combination units. Come on into RC Willey and see us for all your laundry needs.